like, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel.
National Hair Fall Treatment. Hair loss can be an indication of some serious health issues like heart disease, diabetes mellitus, ovarian cysts, thyroid and autoimmune disorders. Ingredients you need: Indian neem. Neem is antibacterial, antifungal and antiseptic. It is not only good for many diseases but also good for hair loss treatment. Boil leaves of neem in water until water remains half. Let it cool and wash your hair once in a week with this water. Use this remedy weekly 2 to 3 times for stopping hair loss. Visit BillyHealth.com for more information on hair fall treatment.